Hi dear students, welcome to mathematics class, chapter 4, subtraction of numbers. Okay, exercise 4.4 we have completed and I given 2 homeworks. I hope you all done. Yesterday's homework, there are 6,400 bags of wheat in a godown. If 2,948 bags are sold, how many bags are left in the godown? Students, in this question you have to write first total number of bags in the godown, that is 6,400. Next, total numbers of bags sold, that is equal to 2,948. Then total number of bags are left, that is equal to 6,400 minus 2,948. Okay students, next section, addition and subtraction. Students, we have here addition and subtraction together. So in this section you are getting positive sign as well as negative sign together. Here you are getting positive sign and negative sign together. And here students, these positive sign numbers are positive numbers and negative sign numbers are negative numbers. And numbers which is having no sign, no symbol, this number is also positive numbers. Once again, here positive sign numbers are positive numbers and negative sign numbers are negative numbers. Or this is positive numbers and this is negative numbers. Understood? Okay, so let us take an example that you can understand it clearly. So first example, here you can see the question solve for 459 plus 1086 minus 875. So students, in this question you can see there are two positive numbers. Which is the positive numbers you say? Here two positive numbers are there. So students, please do this in your copy. All of you take your copy and do this. Okay, which is the positive numbers here? Say students. Okay, very good. 459 and 1086. Here two positive numbers are there. So you should solve the positive numbers first. Means you should solve the positive numbers first. Okay, let us solve the positive numbers first. Okay, 1086 plus 459. So 6 plus 9, what is 6 plus 9? Is 15. 1 is carry. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 1 is carry again. 1 plus 0 is 1. Then 1 plus 4, 5. Next 1, let's write here 1. So then the answer is 1545. So students, once again, are the first two numbers which are positive numbers. Understood? These two are positive, so we added these two numbers because these two numbers are positive. Then after that you take the sum. Which is the sum? Here this one is sum. 1545 is sum. So you take the sum. So you take the sum, that is 1545. Then you subtract 875 from 1545. So let us subtract 1545 minus 875. So one's column first. 5 minus 5 is 0. 4 minus 7 is there in tens column. You know that you cannot subtract from 7 from 4. So let us cut and take 1 from hundreds column. So this number will become 4 and that 1 will move to the tens column. So this number is 14 now. 14 minus 7, 7. So next hundreds column, 4 minus 8 is there. So let us take 1 from thousands column. This number will become 0 and again this number is 14 now. 14 minus 8. What is 14 minus 8? Is 6. Understood? So students, we got the answer. Now we can write this is equal to 670. This is the answer. And students, always when you get two positive numbers and one negative number, you have to add the positive numbers first, like this. And from the sum of the positive numbers, you have to add, you have to subtract the negative number which is having negative sign. Understood? Then you will get the answer. Understand? So one more example. Here you can see the example 345 plus 2085 minus 289. Okay students, do this. Take your copy and do this. Okay, let us calculate or let us add positive numbers first. That is 2085 plus 345. Okay, let us add ones column first. Here in ones column, 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 is carry. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. Again 1 is carry. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 3, 4. 2 here. Okay, we got the answer 2430. So now next we have to subtract 289 from 2430. Okay, let us check. Okay, let us check for ones column first. Here 0 minus 9 is there. You know that you cannot subtract 9 from 0. So let us cut and take 1 from tens column. This number will become 2 and that 1 will move to the ones column. So this number is 10 now. 10 minus 9 is 1. So next tens column, here also 2 minus 8 is there. So let us take 1 from hundreds column. This number will become 12. 12 minus 8. What is 12 minus 8? Is 4. So next hundreds column, here 3 minus 2 is there. What is 3 minus 2? Is 1. Next thousands column, 2, we can write it here. So the answer is 2141. Understood? So now let us write like this: 345 plus 2085 minus 289 is equal to 2141. Understood? Okay students, take exercise 4.5. Here question number 1 and question number 2 is a homework. Please do this. Question number 1 and 2. Okay, see you tomorrow. Stay home, stay safe.